Electrical drawings in an EP mechanical, electrical, and plumbing set are the portion dedicated to the building's electrical systems. They are typically prefixed with E, for example, E1, E101 in construction document sets, and are prepared by electrical engineers or consultants. These drawings provide detailed plans, schematics, and specifications for the design, installation, coordination, and code compliance of all electrical components and infrastructure. They ensure safe power distribution, lighting, controls, and related low-voltage systems while coordinating with mechanical, for example, avoiding duct clashes and plumbing elements. Typical contents of electrical drawings in an MP set standard in Canada, Ontario practice, per OBC, CEC, and common consulting standards. Power distribution, single-line diagrams, one-line diagrams, showing the overall electrical system from the utility service entrance to main distribution panels, sub-panels, transformers, switchgear, and feeders. Riser diagrams illustrating vertical distribution through floors. Risers, panel board schedules listing circuit numbers, loads, breaker sizes, voltages, and connected loads. Lighting systems, lighting plans, floor plans showing fixture locations, types, for example, recessed, pendant, emergency, switching, and controls. Reflected ceiling plans (RCP) often coordinated with architectural RCPS, marking light fixtures, exit signs, and emergency lighting. Lighting schedules detailing fixture manufacturers, models, wattage, lumens, and controls, for example, occupancy sensors, dimmer, power outlets and devices. Receptacle outlet plans showing locations of general-purpose duplex receptacles. Dedicated circuits, for example, for office equipment, printers, GFCI AFCI requirements, and special outlets, for example, 20830A, floor boxes in offices. Device schedules for switches, receptacles, data outlets, and other wiring devices. Branch circuiting and wiring. Plans indicating routing of conduits. Cable trays, buzzways, wiring methods, for example, EMT, MC cable, home runs to panels, and circuiting details. Notes on wire sizes, types, for example, copper, THHN, and installation methods per CEC, for example, Rule 12 for wiring methods. Specialty electrical systems, fire alarm systems, detectors, pull stations, horns, strobes, annunciators, and interconnection to HVAC for shutdown. Emergency standby power generators, transfer switches, ATS, essential systems like exit emergency lighting, low voltage systems, for example, telecommunications, data network cabling, security CCTV, access control, sound systems sometimes separate but often included or coordinated, grounding and bonding details, lightning protection if applicable. Schedules and details, equipment schedules, for example, panels, transformers, motor loads, load calculations, summaries, demand factors, continuous loads per CEC, Section 8. Details for typical installations, for example, outlet mounting heights, conduit supports, panel elevations, general elements, legends, symbols, key standard electrical symbols per CSA or industry standards. General notes, code references, for example, Ontario Electrical Safety Code, CEC compliance, voltage drop calculations, short circuit ratings, coordination notes for clashes with ducts, pipes, beams, or architectural elements. In Ontario projects, for example, Vaughan office buildings. Electrical drawings must comply with the Ontario Electrical Safety Code, adopting the latest CEC, OBC Part 3/9 requirements, and often include energy efficiency notes, for example, lighting power density per OBC energy efficiency. They are submitted for ESA, Electrical Safety Authority review, inspection, alongside mechanical and plumbing. Electrical drawings do not include detailed ductwork that's mechanical, piping, fixtures, plumbing, or structural architectural elements, though they reference and coordinate with them to prevent conflicts during BIM, coordination, or site installation. If you're looking at a specific set of drawings for a project, check the MEP index or legend sheet for the E-series to locate the electrical portion. This separation ensures clear responsibility and accurate installation by the electrical trade.